guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're back out on Georgian Bay. It's a beautiful day. A little bit of a breeze, but nothing to worry about. So today we're going to head up and make our way up to Lion's Head. So kind of want to get up there and hopefully I can get the drone up and give you guys some cool shots with that. So really it's just a beautiful day on Georgian Bay. Let's make our way and see what we can get up to. So let's go. Or punch it, whichever one we've decided on. I haven't figured it out yet. Whatever. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go that way, and make our way towards Lion's Head. Hi guys, we come to Cape Croker, and this is the Cape Croker Lighthouse. So we're at the very point, I don't know where we're at. So this is one of the older this is one of the newer lighthouses, but it looks bloody old. So anyways guys, let me get you some shots of this one from the air, and then we'll keep going, all right? Pretty cool shots of that there. So let's keep going and see what we can find. All right. Alright guys, so we've come across Barrier Island, which is out here, kind of in between Cape Croker and Lion's Head. Kind of cool little place to stop for a quick second. So I just had the drone up. I hope you enjoyed that footage. It was pretty cool. I think I'm going to try and go in here. I saw that there's a little bay in here now with this water being by. So let's go explore that for a quick second, then we'll keep making our way up to Lion's Head. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a boat washed up on shore there. There's an old log right there. That's huge. Wow. And pretty much just turns into reeds from here out. Oh, there's a duck. Man, like, listen to this. It's just, oh, there's a boulder right there. I don't know if you guys can see it under the water, but how beautiful is that? It's like just nature. All right, guys, let's keep going and make our way to Lion's Head now. Alright guys, we've made it to Lion's Head, so that's a nice little run. Beautiful day. It's busy a bit out here right now, so it is what it is. But let's go along the shore, explore it, and see what we can find. Okay, so like, I'll get closer, but it's supposed to be that up. And when we're up and around there, it looks like a Lion's Head. It probably doesn't show up on this camera. That's how high the water is that I've landed and walked on that rock. Right there. I've been able to put the Sea-Doo right up on there and stop it. Like right there is the Lion's Head. And like, again, I don't know if I can show it to you. Maybe when I get the drone up, maybe you'll see it. But there's like people rock climbing and stuff, and then there's people at the lookout and stuff. So we'll see what we can get for you. Realizing that was probably in the sun. Probably won't go in there today. See, this is why I like going to Lionhead. You get this, I'm just in this sheltered little bay here. I'm gonna tie up to that tree right there, protected from a lot of the water here, and just gonna have some lunch now. So let's settle in. This quick. That only hurt a little. Ow. These flip-flops are killing me. So there you go. Nice little view. I mean, what's so nice about it is you get almost have a place to yourself. So, alright guys, I'm gonna have a quick little snack. I'll catch up with you after that. Okay, that was delicious. Time to get out of here. Oop. Ah, what a spot though. I mean, you can't go wrong. Oh, excuse me. Now, where did I put my cue? Would be helpful. Alright guys, well that pretty much does it for this adventure. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming along for this adventure up here to Lion's Head with me. Pretty cool to see and stuff. So wind's starting to pick up from the east, which means it could get a bit rough on the way back. So I'm just going to wrap this video up here. Just want to say thank you so much for everyone that's joined the channel. Thank you for all the likes, all the comments, you guys subscribing. It's amazing. Thank you so much. Keep it up. Like I said, we got some more adventures coming for you. So just until then, have a great time out on the water. Enjoy yourselves. Enjoy the summer that we got for whatever it is we can do. And just guys, thank you so much for everything. It truly does mean a lot. So from me up here at Lion's Head, to you guys, all the best. Be safe out there on the water. And until the next adventure, peace. Come along with us. Come along with me. Yeah, that's probably better. Come along with me. Man, it's hard sometimes in the morning, guys, to get the right wording out here. So I've lost my whole train of thought. Jeez. All right, none of this idling anymore. Let's go.